Okay, we go with another MyMaths walkthrough. This is task 367, median and range. All the only things I need to know for median is you've got to have the numbers in order, and then you have to pick the middle one out, find where that is. And the range is just the biggest number, take away the smallest number, and this is a measure of spread, so how spread out the numbers are. So let's just remember what that one is. Right, so opening question says, let's have a look. It just says work out the median for each group of numbers. So here's a group of numbers here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers there. Now a really nice method to find the middle number is if you know there's 9 numbers, it's an odd number, so there's going to be one number in the middle, that leaves 8. So 4 either side of that one, so that makes this one, you count in 4, then the next one's the middle, so your fifth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the middle, and then there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 this side either. So that little setup is really a nice way of looking at these things. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Now this is a problem because there's going to be 2 middle numbers. That leaves me 6. So I'm going to put 3 this side and 3 this side. So if I count in 3, 1, 2, 3, that one's a middle number, and this one's a middle number, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 that side. Okay. Now what you have to do when there's 2 in the middle is you grab your calculator and you just add them together and divide it by 2. So 16 plus 19, and you must press equals before you divide by 2. So press equals, press divide by 2, and then you get 17.5. So this one is 17.5. This thing, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So 9 numbers, 1 middle number, 4 this side, 4 this side. There's your 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the middle number. And then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So if there's 10, there's 2 middle numbers, leaves me 8. So I need to put 4 this side, and there's the 2 middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4 this side, and there's the 2 middle numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to add those two together. Don't forget to press equals, 47 plus 48. And then I have to divide the answer by 2, and you should get 47.5. So 47.5 is the answer for that one. Okay. Right, the median in here. So what's the question say? Here are the masses in kilograms of 2 groups of dolphins. Use the median to decide which group is heavier on average. So it's important it says on average there. So it's not the heaviest one. So this is the heaviest guy, but on average. So the median is, where's that one? So how many is there? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dolphins there. So it's 11 dolphins on the top row. So there's going to be one middle number. There's going to be 5 on this side and 5 on this side. So there's 11. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is the middle one. So there's your middle guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers that side. Okay. So that's where that one is. This one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So one middle number leaves me 12, 6 this side, 6 this side, and then the 7th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there he is there. There's the middle guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So when I look at these two things, so it's 1 after 150, 150. I would say they're about the same, really. There's not much difference between these two things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm probably going to go marginally by A, but then looking at it, it looks like B. It's just a bit weird, that one. So let's see where I get this wrong. So 6, 17.5, 17.5 is that one. This one we said was 4, and this one was 47.5, 47.5. Just use the median to decide which group is heavier on average. Yeah, I'm going to go with that one, I think. Group A, probably Group B. We'll see. Oh, it's giving me 6 out of 8. What have I done wrong? I didn't type in 47.5. I wrote 4.5. Damn. 47.5 was the right answer there. And for me, that was Group A. But that was like marginal. That was ridiculous for the range one. For the median. Anyhow, okay, moving on to the next page. So the next page is all to do with the range. So this is just the biggest number take away the smallest number, and it's how spread out the numbers are. So this one's quite straightforward. We've got, for the first question, the range in this one is just 11 take away 1, which equals 10. So what that's saying is the difference between that one to that one is 10, and none of them are further than 10 away from each other. The next one, I'm doing 30 take away 22. which is just 8. So the range is 8 for that one. The next one, 12 take away 3, is 9. So the range is 9. And this one is 84 take away 71. So the range is 13, I hope. If you're not sure, I could just get the calculator and press buttons and see what comes up. 13 should come up there. Right, so the range here is how spread out they are. So we can see that's how spread out these numbers are. And these numbers are even further spread out. So these are more varied than that one. And the question says, which group is more varied? And I'm going to go with group B being more varied there, because it's much more spread out. Okay. What you really want for a range, you want it really to be small, because that just shows consistency. So we've got ranges of 10. Let's try and put the right numbers in this time. 8. We've got 9 and 13. Oh, I just put 3 in there. Just be careful typing it in. Press mark it. And we've got that page all right. Oh, there we go. What have I got? See summary. I've got overall 88%. That's a bit disappointing. I'll have to do that one again. And it wasn't because I did anything wrong on the video. It's because I just wasn't careful when I typed it in. Dope. I'll have to do it again now. Okay, that's it for range and median and range. Good luck.